Good morning, people, and welcome back to day 5 of Hampta Pass. So today's date is 16th of June, and we are at Shia Goru base camp. So yesterday's, if you all would have seen the video, you all would have an idea how it was, and today's status update I'll give you all. So it's 7:30 now, and we got up by 6 o'clock. We had our tea, we had some chit chats with the friends, and we were looking at the scenery and all. So now we have got an update that there's a bridge which we had to cross, and that has been fallen down, so we can't cross that bridge. So we'll be going somewhere from here, crossing, and we'll be taking that path. So we have to leave the camp now in like another 15-20 minutes. So it's a strategy. जब भी म्यूल्स आए माउंटेन की तरफ देख के बैठिए भक्ति हस्ती का है. So उसके पीछे का मीनिंग ये है कि like in case if the mules hit you all and if you all are towards the mountain, you all just fall towards that side, and अगर तुम लोग रिवर की तरफ हो तो रिवर की तरफ फेंक देगा और फिर पता नहीं तुम लोगों को बचाने के लिए होगा कि नहीं होगा. So it's advisable to stay near the mountains. So welcome back, and now we have reached Chandratal Lake. 4,290 meters. It's pretty cold. I'll let you all know how much feet it is, but it is definitely above 14,000 feet. So it took us 3 hours from Chatru. The roads were very bad, very bad. Now let's see. It's a 10 minutes or 15 minutes walk towards the lake, the beautiful lake. I'll try to cover as much as possible and see you all near the lake.